So iOS 18.5 Beta 2 has been out now for a few days, and we want to give you some feedback if you were on the fence for downloading it. First things first, let's go ahead and knock it out. This beta is not it. We've had significant issues with battery life draining quickly, stutters around in the OS, and dropped frame rates pretty regularly. Springboard has not refreshed, luckily, at all. It hasn't closed out and restarted the phone, but just something to keep in mind. Again, not uncommon with the second and third betas that Apple has been dropping recently, and given that this is an F build on Beta 2, we still are probably 2 more betas away from an RC. Now, having said that, we did get a new modem version here as well, but beyond that, we didn't have any cellular connectivity issues in the prior build, so not really here nor there for that update. One thing I do want to talk about though still, we finally have our first drop in battery capacity here after 216 cycles. We now only have a max capacity of 99%. This is still significantly better than what we've gotten recently and in prior iPhones. So nothing crazy, but wanted to let you know the betas have finally taken a toll and everyday usage on this iPhone 16 Pro Max. This download size did come in a little over 1 gig, and for a second beta that is pretty large, so unsure what caused that, but still this is a lot of background bug fixes, nothing new, and as a 0.5 update, this isn't surprising. This will be the last main OS update for iPhone 18 or for iOS 18 until 19 drops in just a month and a half. Now, having said that, I wanted to bring this up because if you did decide to take the plunge, yes, we are on weekly releases. Obviously, Apple can change that at any time now, but considering this is now a few days through this beta cycle, I am anticipating getting another update here on the 21st or 22nd for beta 3, the 28th for the 4th beta, and possibly the RC in early May to give us a few weeks of stability here because, as we know, come June 9th, that will be the first beta for iOS 19 at WWDC at their keynote, as they typically do. Now, as we said, we did see a lot of drop frame rates. If we just jump around and kind of look around in the Stocks app like we typically do, I could see it right there. It was not refreshing smoothly. It's going to be hard to see on camera, but just something to keep in mind there as well. Jumping around right now in the Stock app, it's working pretty well. No real issues here, luckily. But again, with these betas, these issues are always intermittent and not consistent. One thing we did have randomly disappear in settings again was the actual banner to be able to see what's going on with AppleCare. It is now back, but we've seen this come and go regularly. This was changed in a prior beta to now make this a little bit more clear and to see what coverage your device has and all that, or if it is eligible to add AppleCare to. But aside from that, battery life is the biggest takeaway, not being where it needs to be yet. Again, second beta, what you can expect, but I wouldn't recommend going to rush and download this if you don't want. When you're playing a game like Clash Royale or something like that, it has worked pretty well, but again, that battery drop has been pretty significant, so just keep that in mind also. But aside from that, the overheating wasn't really an issue. We haven't seen the phone get too hot, which is definitely an improvement from what we've seen prior. So that is great. One last downside I want to let you guys know, if you're using this with an Apple Watch on watchOS 11.5 Beta 2, yet again, the notification timing is delayed, where you will receive a notification on your iPhone, and it won't be till a little later that you'll receive it on your Apple Watch. So that's it for this one. We're not going to drag it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you're on 18.5 Beta 2, how it is working for you, and how you are liking iOS as a whole right now. Again, getting stale, huge rumors for iOS 19, but we'll touch on that again in a later video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.